Say girl you fine, I'm tryna make you mine. I ain't tryna waste no time, hop on my ride. Got a whip parked outside, got a condo, we can go slide. Know I got pride, but I put that to the side. Think I need that on my side. Look at them thighs, look at that waist, look at them hips, look at that face. Just know that I'm a thug, I ain't going on a date.
Yes, it's Brooke, and today I'm going to be doing a Unice hair unboxing. This is my first time ordering from Unice. I got it off of the Aliexpress store and not the actual store or the Amazon store. The lengths are 16, 18, and 20 inches. So since I'm 5'2", it's like down to my back, which is how I like it. This is hair for my birthday, so I really hope it turns out good because I have been seeing mixed reviews about it. Some people say it's the worst hair ever. Some people say it's the best hair ever. I've been watching reviews for about 2 weeks now, so I did order it on like Sunday or Monday and it came on Saturday. It was supposed to come that Friday, but I don't know why it didn't. It was $97. Originally it was $104, but because they had a $6 off coupon, I was able to save a little bit of money. So I hope that I did get a good batch because, again, this is my birthday hair, so I need everything to look right since I'm supposed to have a photo shoot. But I guess we're going to see whenever we unbox it. I have the box right beside me, so let's go ahead and get into the video. This is the box. Now, some people have been saying that they've been sending it in bags and they don't do boxes anymore, but I guess that's only for one of their stores like Amazon or their actual website. But this is what it says. It says Unice right here. You just take it off. And again, it says Unice hair, 100% virgin hair. And on the bottom, it has their social medias. Okay. Now, like I said, I got 16, 18, and 20. It came with a return label, which I probably won't use. And it also came with a weaving cap. I'm probably not going to use this either. I might use it when I start getting experience with hair, but since my mom is doing my hair, I'm not going to use it. But this is just what it comes. Like, the bundles were just laying there. I thought mine would come with lashes, but it didn't. Like, I was really excited for it to come with lashes, but it didn't. So this is one bundle. And then this is the second bundle. I'm trying to see which one is the longest. And then this is third bundle. Okay. This is the 20 inch, I think. This is the 18 inch. And then this is the 16 inch. Like I said, the 20 inch is going to be down to my back. Because if it's like right here, it's already down to my waist. And then if it was in the back, it would be like down my back. Which is how I like it. Because at first I was thinking it wasn't going to be long enough. So I was thinking about getting 18, 20, and 22. But I'm glad that I didn't. Because then I would be like sitting on my hair. So I don't want that to happen. But we're going to open up one of the bundles. They have a rubber band around it. I'm going to keep that rubber band. Ooh, open. Oh, it's tangling as I try to take it out. Okay, so I'm running my fingers through it. I don't really see any shedding, but again, this is because they probably because they have the hair tied like right here really tight. But the one thing I don't like about Unice is the fact that they only have one color. Like, it's just a natural color, and this natural color is like brownish, like a dark brown, maybe with black tint in it. And my hair is 1B, and I don't want to dye it, so I probably won't dye it. We're probably just gonna hope that my hair blends with it. The tag says Icenu. Now, I did peek at it and I was like, shouldn't it say Unice? But then I guess when I googled it, it was like one of their types of hair. Like, it was Unice Icenu, which is like grade 8 or something like that. I don't know all the grades, but yeah. Like I said, it is really, really, really soft. On the tag, it also has care tips, and on the box, it has care tips too. The wefts are not that thick, but I don't think they're that thin. These are the wefts. I feel like this is a good like amount of hair, because at first, like I said, I was thinking I would not have enough, like it will only go to like right here, but I'm thinking it can go at least halfway, so I won't have to use that much of the bundles. I'll have some left over. And you know, if I get lucky, then I might just be able to use the 20 and 18 for my whole head, but I don't know. We'll see though whenever I get it installed. I'm not going to take out my other bundles because I don't want to keep messing with them. So I'm going to go ahead and put them back in the bag. Y'all don't know, I'm actually really upset I didn't get no lashes, because I've been trying to get lashes for the longest. Like I told y'all, I think I told y'all in one of my videos that I ordered lashes from Aliexpress. They're still not here yet. It's been a month. Yes, it's been a month. And they're still not here yet. But this is what the 16 would be like. 16 is like past my boobs. But then again, it would probably be up here. So it would probably be like at my boobs. And then 18 would probably be like right here. So I think it works out good. Next time I get bundles, whenever I do another hair review, I'll probably get a closure, because I don't want to keep doing leave out, because I don't want to get heat damage or anything. So the best thing would be to get a closure. And I'm going to put this shipping label on face down so y'all can't track me. But put this thing back on too. As a first impression, I think the hair is really good. Like, I did peek at it before filming this video, because this is my second time having to film this video. But I think the hair is really good, because I have some other bundles, again, well not again, but I have some other bundles and they're from like 2 years ago. I know, but in comparison, it sheds more than this does. This doesn't shed at all, but again, I really don't know if it's gonna shed, because it was tied up really tight. So we're going to see whenever I get it installed. But as a first impression, I think the hair is good. Oh, I should have been known this was a series of their hair, because it says it right here. It's their Icenu. I didn't even know what type of series I was ordering. I just clicked straight because I didn't want any curls this time, but next time I'll probably get some curls or some body wave or loose curls, something like that. If you want to get yourself some Brazilian bundles like Unice's, go ahead and click the link in the description box. It'll have all the details about my hair that I got, so we can twin, sis. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll keep you guys updated. Follow my social medias. I'm going to try to put them on the screen now, but follow my social media so you can keep up with me, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.